Hi folks, Alex Klingelhoeffer here with Exencial Wealth Advisors. It's 8:18 here in the middle part of the country on Thursday. It's July 8th, 2021. Here's your morning jog around the economic headlines of the world. I want to start off here in the U.S. with initial jobless claims. We just had an okay number, about 340,000 or so new jobless claims. It's just about 2,000 more than last week. So we mentioned last week we're seeing some really high jobless claims out of Pennsylvania. I'm not sure why. It seems like sort of a statistical oddity that Pennsylvania is leading the country. It's not the most populous state. Anywho, we're seeing okay data. Markets are reacting kind of badly to that and some COVID outbreaks in the UK, in Europe. We're seeing warnings of don't travel around Europe, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Looking for summer holiday season to be cut short, etc. Markets are actually down about 2%. Here's why I'm not really buying it, or I'm sort of still bullish in this overall market, in this recovering market. Let's take a look at this. This is the COVID data count from Our World in Data. It's just sort of an independent data source. So, okay, this is the UK versus the US chart. Of course, folks are talking about the Delta variant and that being highly transmissible, running through populations, etc. So here's a confirmed case count per million people. As you can see, UK just going up parabolically, right? Okay, we have another wave, fourth wave, whatever, moving forward, we're calling it. If we go from confirmed cases down to hospital patients and hospital admissions here, look at this. Even though we have confirmed cases going up, folks are testing positive for COVID, we're not seeing additional strain on the hospital system. The same thing is happening with deaths. Let me find deaths here. Vaccinated, confirmed deaths. There we go. The same thing is happening UK and the US with confirmed deaths. We have case counts rising, but confirmed deaths and hospitalizations are not rising with them. Means that people just aren't getting as sick from this wave. Vaccines are working. We said for a long time, hey, listen, it's going to affect those unvaccinated areas of the country more than vaccinated areas of the country. Those areas which are unvaccinated aren't, quite frankly, the most economically productive areas of the country. I still think we're on track for a good economic recovery. We're still seeing really good data across the board. We always want to make sure our investment decisions are based on data, not based on a spin or anything else like that. So I think if you have some dollars to work, certainly we do have some clients with some cash that have come in over the last couple of weeks. Now, today's dip could be a buying opportunity. Elon Musk is getting approval for his boring company to drill a tunnel in Florida. Of course, he's got a lot of different projects in his portfolio, but it's going to be it's in a competitive bid still. But I don't think anybody else is going to bid to build a tunnel from Fort Lauderdale. It's going to go downtown to the beach there. Apparently, solve some traffic problems. Of course, Musk already has a tunnel in Las Vegas, just in their convention center. Will be interesting to see if he keeps continuing to get public dollars to build these tunnels with the boring company. Certainly is a great idea on paper. I'm not sure it's being executed tremendously well. It doesn't seem like it's saving folks a whole lot of time just yet, but again, just in the experimental stages for the boring company. If you want some additional news throughout the day, feel free to follow me as always on Twitter. It's OKCCFACFP. Until then, I'm out.